Hi, I'm Andrew Smith. I'm with Studio 6 Digital here at InfoComm 2019. And we are showing our newest product, the dBPod. This is an installed sound level meter that is a Class 2 sound level meter that operates on A, C, Z, and octave weighting simultaneously. It's enabled through our app, the dBPod app, which can then program the sound levels to which the LEDs respond. In this case, we've got like 90 dB for the red, and the yellow would be 80, and the green would be like 65. This is an installed product and can be used in houses of worship, factories, workplaces, hospitals, anywhere like that. The LED ring can be turned on or off or the brightness changed, and it uses an advanced MEMS microphone and DSP processing system. Since it's Wi-Fi enabled, the actual sound levels are transmitted to the app in real time, and you can view the actual sound levels, as well as using our subscription service. The dB levels can be sent up to the database, and remote logging, you can watch what the sound levels have been throughout the day as they change. Also, notifications can be sent out depending on how high the sound levels reach. dBPod is in pre-production and will be shipping at the end of the year. And for more information, see our website, which is studio6digital.com. And thank you very much.